On the African savanna, the king of the beast fears nothing. Lions are the toughest hunters and can do anything when hunger strikes. They are the real giant slayers. One of the lioness holds by the rear, trying to bring it down. In the age-old rivalry between predator and prey, who lives and who dies is never clear-cut. Sometimes the prey fights back, but when the hunter is more desperate, then anything could happen. Here has no mercy for the weakness. In this savage battlefield, if one dies, one will thrive.